Hi, it's Ginny, LearnWithGinny.com. I'm going to show you how to create an overlay for your Restream live or Restreamed live videos. It's kind of confusing to say it that way, hey? But I use Restream because sometimes there's been a time when I went live and it actually didn't work. We didn't know it the whole time, but it had recorded it and saved me. So all I did was hit the little schedule icon and reschedule it for later that afternoon, and it was live. And I went and checked it out, watched it as a live participant. And it was cool. But anyway, that's why I use Restream. I also like to use Restream because sometimes I want to be live at a certain time, but I'm busy doing other stuff with my family. So I will record it and schedule it to go live later. So, and I've been accused of not engaging with my audience when I'm doing that. But you know what? I got to do what I got to do to make this work around my work, my family, and everything else. And that's the whole point of having a whole home business, is working it around and in your life. Which is kind of cool, because when you find your passion and you find that you like doing this stuff. Anyway, that's for another day. Let me get me out of the way. I'm just going to show you how to create I use this tool because it's super easy and super fast. And you know what? We don't have a lot of time in home business. It's called Stencil, and I will put the link below in this video on YouTube. I'll put it in the comments. So if you want to use it, go ahead and grab it at that link. So this is the one that I used for when I went live with one of my friends, Ferdinand. This is his website, and this is my website. And put it at the top and the bottom, right of my screen, so that when we're live, our little faces are on there and we can point at the different websites. Go subscribe to our channels or our lists so that you don't miss out on anything that's going on. So it's just at like a HD size, 1920 by 1080. I'll just hit new one over here, create a new image. And if you needed to switch it up to something else, all you would do is hit this little right here where it says 1920 by 1080, and you'd pick something else. Okay, so in this case, that's what it was. It was HD TV, and that's the one I used, 1920 by 1080. There's all kinds of templates in here for everything, and it's super cool because I can just quickly switch. If I wanted to work on a Facebook photo, and let's say I wanted the same image, on an Instagram photo, I would switch it. It's already sized in there, super fast, and then you just save it and you're done. You have it for every platform. I love this tool. At first, I fought it because I used Canva for so many years, but Canva takes me a lot longer. But Canva does have a lot more fancier stuff. But I'm for fast. I have to agree with Diane, who introduced it to me, Diane Hockman, if you want to follow her, because it's fast. What am I doing? HD TV. So I'll put it back to that. I want the background not to be colored. So I just clicked it and this little guy popped up. I'm going to hit the little white and I'm going to make it transparent by dragging it all the way down. This is right here. It doesn't say it on it, but that's what this is. This is the transparency. Okay, I want it transparent, completely transparent, because this is an overlay over our faces on our live presentations. So we want it to be transparent, right? Okay, so there we go. Now I'm going to add text. And I don't know if Roboto is good or not, but whatever. We're going to put my website up. Whoops, I like to it makes it easier to for people to find me and easier to remember when I capitalize those. So LearnWithGinny.com. We want it to stand out a little bit. So I'm going to make the text color white by clicking in the white upper left-hand corner right here. I want it white. Okay. And then I want the outline color to be black. There's LearnWithGinny.com. You can make it bigger, smaller, whatever by doing this. You can make it bigger, but I think just in the upper left-hand corner is good, just like that. Now, I could just copy this, I believe. Yeah, I can hit duplicate so it looks the same. And in the lower right-hand corner, I will put somebody else's website. Like, let's say I'm doing a live with Diane. That's what I would do. So I would save it and I would download it. This would be me, Diane overlay, which I will get in touch with her and we will do a live soon. So fun. Okay, so it downloaded it. You see it down here. Oh, you can't see it because I'm in the way. Remove me. Down here, lower left-hand corner of my screen in my browser, that's where it's at. It's in, if I hit show in folder, it's in my downloads folder. So whenever you download stuff, you want to pay attention to where it's going. Usually it's in your downloads folder. Now I happen to have Restream open on another tab here. You see how I have it already set up for me and Ferdinand. So if I wanted to bring up the one I just created, I would click, oh, and I'm in the way again. I would click upload under graphics. There's me and Diane overlay. I'd hit open. And to show it, I would just click it. So there we go. Now when I go live with her, I can have her website and my website on the page so that when we're done talking or sometime during the conversation, we're going to want people to go to our website and get on our list so that you don't miss out on any workshops or whatever else we have going on in the background. You know, we share all this wonderful stuff out here in the public, but in the background, we have a lot of, you know, really good stuff going on if you want to dig deeper. So there you go. Matter of fact, go to my website, get on my list so that you don't miss out when I have openings on my private calendar where I can help you out with your home business tech. Subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment. Let me know if you have questions so that I have more videos on my list to answer your questions. If I can answer them, I certainly will. Make it a great day. I'll see you next time.